Hello, it's me again, Edward Chin, the creator of Peti-Peti.com. In this video segment, I'm going to show you what you can do with web pages that are created by others and who have given people the ability to view their web pages as well as to insert comments. As you know, if a web page is owned by somebody else, you can actually, and that person has given you view access, you can save a copy of it and modify it into a new web page, right? But sometimes what you want to do is just insert a comment in somebody else's web page. So let me show you an example. I have signed in, so that's my user ID, and I'm now going to download from the cloud web pages owned by others, right? And as you can see, some web pages I can view and comment, and there are some web pages I can view but not comment. Yeah? So let's click on this one. These are a list of web pages where others have created and have given people the ability to view and comment on their web page. Let's take the first one, Inesh, my favorite things. Alright, so this is the web page created by Inesh, and as you can see, when I click on this icon, I don't have access to the full menu of where I can do changes, because I can only view, but I can actually save it, giving it another name, and then it becomes mine. Yeah, so that's saving a copy of the web page. But before we get into that, let me just sort of wander around. When I click on any box, you'll see a menu that pops up, right? And there are a few icons on the menu. The plus icon is where you can insert a comment. But before we get into that, I just want to share with you the other icons there. This one here says, listen to a reading of the text in the selected box. So when I click it,
Cristiano Ronaldo.
there is a voice reads the text, right? So that's Cristiano Ronaldo. If I select this text, I can, when I click the same button.
He is the greatest football player ever existed.
Right. Now, if I select Cristiano in the first box and click this other icon, it says, listen to a reading of the text in the selected and next level of boxes.
Cristiano Ronaldo is the greatest football player ever existed.
As you can see, the voice has changed, but you can actually select different voices when you click on this. Here, this Daniel is the default, but there are other voices that you can select, right? So this is quite fun to play with. So I have to select.
Cristiano Ronaldo is the greatest football player ever existed.
Right. Okay, so I just wanted you to be aware of this text to voice option when you're viewing a web page. Sometimes where the text is quite long and you want to stop it, right? So if you want to do that, say I'm playing this,
Cristiano Ronaldo is the
I
greatest
can
football.
click this to stop it. Okay, so that's listening to the text. Let's talk about inserting your comment into a box. Right? And let's take, for example, this particular box here, which is Dose, right? And you want to include a comment to say, wow, it looks delicious. Yeah? And then you say, submit comment. Yeah? And success, your comment has been accepted. So the comment is shown here. Wow, it looks delicious, right? And when I click on it and look at the, it can tell me who actually inserted that comment, right? So let's go into that option again. As you can see, you can also insert a link or a URL, a link to an image. You can also insert emojis, yeah? And so on. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you for now. No, sorry, before one more thing. right? So you can actually take this web page and save it as, my copy, right? You can say this is my copy of Inesh web page, right? And then when you do that, the next time you come into Peti-Peti new, and I say download from cloud, under refresh, and it will now be in your web pages, right? Only I can view or edit. Oh, sorry, it's changed now to, let me just sign in again. I will sign in. Okay, let me refresh. So when I refresh, my copy of Inesh web page is here, right? So when I click it, this is now my copy, and I can do whatever I want with it. And when I click on a menu, I got more the same, the normal options that you find in Peti-Peti. Okay, so I hope that's not too confusing. It's quite simple actually. You basically can insert comments into other people's web pages if they have allowed you, if they've given you access, right? So this is one way for you to get comments about your web page from your friends. It's also to share ideas, to share thoughts, and so on and so forth. Okay, that's it for now. Enjoy, have fun, play with the Peti-Peti, and I'll see you the next time. Thank you. Bye.